Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about one of the most popular beginner DSLR cameras ever made, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 with the 18 to 55mm kit lens. If you're looking to step up from smartphone photography and enter the world of professional quality images, this camera might be the perfect starting point. Let's start with the heart of the camera, the 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This sensor delivers sharp, detailed images with beautiful color accuracy. Compared to a smartphone, you get a much larger sensor, which means better low-light performance, more dynamic range, and that beautiful blurred background effect known as shallow depth of field. Powering this camera is Canon's Digic 4 Plus image processor. What does that mean for you? Faster image processing, reduced noise in low-light conditions, and smooth overall performance. It helps maintain clarity even when shooting indoors or during evening hours. Now let's talk about the included 18 to 55mm lens. This is a versatile focal range. At 18mm, you can capture wide landscape shots or group photos. At 55mm, you can zoom in for portraits with natural background blur. It's a perfect all-purpose starter lens for travel, daily photography, and learning composition. Another major feature is built-in Wi-Fi. You can instantly transfer photos to your smartphone using Canon's app and share them on social media. No cables required. This is extremely convenient for content creators and beginners who want quick uploads. For video creators, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 records full HD 1080p video. While it's not a 4K camera, it still produces clean and sharp video quality suitable for YouTube, school projects, and beginner filmmaking. The camera also features a 9-point autofocus system. It locks focus quickly and accurately, especially for portraits and still subjects. For beginners, the guided menu system makes learning photography simple and less intimidating. Now let's quickly look at pros and cons. Pros: excellent image quality for price, beginner-friendly controls, interchangeable lenses, reliable Canon build quality, Wi-Fi connectivity. Cons: no 4K video, basic autofocus compared to higher-end DSLRs, fixed rear screen. Overall, if you're starting photography, studying media, or want professional quality images without spending a fortune, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is an outstanding entry-level DSLR. It gives you manual control, creative flexibility, and room to grow your skills. If you're serious about improving your photography, this camera is a strong and reliable choice. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.